What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. As y'all see, Joe was not in his truck again, so he's over here. So you guys come take a look, see what he's got today.
Hey guys, how you doing today? Hope you all had a good weekend. I checked with Clay. His team is the only team undefeated. Packers play tonight. We'll see how they did. Tennessee didn't do it. But anyways, I hope all your teams did good for you. You might notice you look a little bit closer. Probably quit shaving for the rest of the year. May not get another haircut. You know, first it's hunting season, okay? And then the cup follows into, I got a Santa Claus suit for all the grandkids, so not only if they pull the fake one, they'll see there's real beard underneath there. So that is good. Like I said, I hope you all had a good weekend. Apparently sometime today I was bleeding for the company, but as Jesse Ventura would say, I don't have time to bleed. You guys may notice Clay and them got their new uniform, shirts, hats. They look pretty badass, so get a chance to see him, say something. I'm pretty sure he's said or done something. Yep. What I'm going to show you first, NES 1015.
Okay.
Now what this kit does is, oh look at this, I got a nice little display thing. Now, most threads get boogered up on top, messed up, smashed, bashed, and the same with inside threads. They'll get smashed inside right on top. Threads down here are okay, but it's up here. So you're looking at, you know, trying to get a tap, trying to get it started. If it cross threads, it's worse than it was. If you do it right, you're good. But this here saves all that time and trouble. All I do is set this on here, and what it will do is it'll follow and it'll bring the threads from the bottom up, so to speak, making them good.
Okay.
Now, this will work on something small and fine, all the way up to bigger than this, because it'll work up onto a 3/4 inch thread. Wow. Now, it don't matter if it's right hand, it don't matter if it's left hand, coarse, fine, metric, it does it all, which is very cool. So, this one does that. These two blades, they kind of follow in place. This kit gives you a couple extra blades. And then, one part you may not have seen, it fits, by golly. If I put it in the right way, of course. Now this here part, on the other hand, grab the handy little wrench, for when you're doing inside threads. It's got a plastic backing so you don't mash the other side of the threads. The wrench goes on here, and I'm turning it out right. You'll see I pulled the thread out. What it does is you set it down in there, mash it out on out to the thread, and then all you do is turn it
Twist it out.
Now, it don't matter if it's coarse, it's fine, it's right hand, left hand, if it's metric or SAE. Now, this kit works on everything on internal threads, from it's a 5/16 8mm internal here, 5/16 8mm up to 16, or 5/8. It'll do pipe taps up to 3/8. So like I said, it's very versatile. The outside thread diameter thing will work on things up to 3/4 inch external. 3/4 inch, 7/16 pipe. So it's a very cool set.
Yep.
A couple spare blades for here, a couple spare tips for this. This is $325 on sale for $290.
Okay.
Now this here kit has a little different part number. It is a little bit different. They just got two outside.
Right.
Now this Mama Jam will go up to end cover threads up to, I believe it says 1.5 inches.
1.8
1.5 inches. Pipe tap 1.8 inches. So again, it'll follow, puts it on, axle shafts. Man, there you go. So this one here just has this one here, which is here, and then this will cover from anything bigger to 1.5 inches. This one is $250 on sale.
Okay.
Now, this here thing, and it's got this little part number A1 or something. It's just this little piece by itself. They're $90. So you get your feet wet, try something like that.
Right.
Get to like it, say, hey man, I'm getting the rest of this stuff. There is one kit that has all this put together even more, but I figured most people will start with this before they jump into the big kit.
That's
So
pretty nice.
I hope it's something you like, you're impressed with, and kind of cool. It is getting to be winter time for us, maybe. We got fall for a couple of days, but up north it's winter time already. Heated jackets, Milwaukee. Now this is the layer thing. So you got like a heated hoodie underneath, and then you can put the outer shell on top.
Okay.
These are $400. Yep, they are.
Things are salty.
It's a 3X, and what's really neat with it is you get 8 hours of runtime on a 2.0 M12 battery.
That's pretty nice.
Now the guys that work more than 8 hours, there is an adapter that you can plug in. It'll take the CP3 18-volt battery, but that's for the guys who work on the road, you know. When you're hitting 12 to 20 hours, it's supposed to go like 24 hours on the charge.
That's
and
crazy.
if you're warm, it makes that a whole lot easier.
Absolutely.
Now, there's this here jack, the most expensive part. There's two jackets, 2 layers in one. There are hoodies. The hoodies are $300. There are these outer shell ones, which I showed you mine, my camouflage one. You heat up the pockets, you heat up the jacket, either or both. Charge your cell phone. When you're warm, everything else is good. So
That's true.
That's where it's at. And the colors, you got gray, black, red, camouflage.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
If you want it, they'll make it. So I hope you have a great week ahead.
Be
any
sure
questions,
to
any calls?
tell everybody your phone number in case they want anything.
Which is 731-412-7295.
There you go, guys. Like always, check the links down in the description for cool tools and discount codes. If you're not subscribed, be sure to click that button. Like always, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. We got to go because poor Wally and Bill's over here all by themselves. So, you guys, you have a great week. Catch you next time.